Hello guys, this is Coco. Here we are at FESPA. I'm going to give you a brief introduction about what we are showing here in our booth. And we were going to introduce about heat press machine, and my colleague Bella and Jessica, they will show you about the textile products and the hard surface products. Okay, I'm going to introduce about the heat press machine parts. Actually, we have 10 years experience in the heat press industry, and we always think what kind of benefit and convenience we could bring to the users. So we always care about all the details. So I'm going to introduce some of the main features of our heat press. One of the most important features is the interchangeable control box, which could bring super convenience for after-sales service. Most of the time, the problem happens in the control box. If the problem happens, just ask customer to send the control box back and the dealer send a new one to replace. Also, it is very easy to install the control box. We always think in user's way. For example, this is a second-hand handle. So that is for the, like me, it's not so, because for me it's too hard to get this handle, and this second-hand handle is good for me. So press it. The other function is about our patent is a run spin, which is to change the manual model and the auto model with a simple switch. So this is a patent. With this function, customers do not need to buy a manual machine or an automatic machine. So with this simple switch, they could do both a manual model and automatic model in 1 second. Yeah. So it's very easy to bring more convenience to the customers. Another patent, we call it run lock. This is a quick change system, so we could change different sizes of platens with a simple switch. We have different sizes of these lower platens, so you could print different sizes of products, like the pens, like the shirts, like the logos, like the bags or pillowcases. This is the A3 size heat press, and it also comes with features like the run spin and the run lock system, same as our Prisma Auto. But I want to introduce you something special and the changes we have made. First is about the control box. Now it's in the upper before it's down, and it's difficult for your hands to get access to the buttons. But now it's here, and it's easy for your hands to get access to all the buttons. And we change the control panel. Before you need to press the buttons, but before you could see it's just LCD screen. So it's very easy for you to do the settings. And the other big change is about the size. Before, for the A3 size, we make the size at 30 centimeters, but now it's 35. So it means it's 5 centimeters more, which is too compact to make match our R2 printers. So this size is mainly for a DTF press. So this size is special on this market. We did a lot of updates to our heat press, and one of the main changes about the control box. First, it's interchangeable and with easy access to all the buttons. And we changed all the control panel to be the same. So for the A4, A3, and our Prisma Swing and the cap logo 2-in-1, we use the same control panel. The reason for us to do this change is that we want to make it as simple for the users, so they do not need to remember the settings for different control panels. So with one of the same control panel, it's easy for them to handle, to operate different machines. So also, they do not need to keep many stock for all the different control panels. So just one control panel for different machines. So it's more easier for the users and also for the dealers. This is our swing press, and the control panel is the same as our A3, A4, and the cap logo 2-in-1. And this one is a swing press with large space, so it's easy for the customers to locate the garments or the printing stuffs here, so will not burn your hands. And it also comes with interchangeable lower platens inside. And you could see the bottom The body is made with a whole complete part of the mantle, so it's easy for the assembling and no after-sales service actually. Yeah. The next part will go with sublimation blanks, and my colleague Jessica will give you a brief introduction about the hard surface products.
Hello, this is Jessica. Now I'm introducing you LOPO's new hard material products. As we all know, there are mainly two technologies for the hard material products. One is UV-DTF. UV-DTF is actually we think it's a game changer because it's not limited by the shape, by the color, and no coating, no equipment is needed. What you need is the printer and the sticker. The prints out the sticker, and what we need is the sticker and apply this sticker on the hard surface material. You just need to make sure the surface of the blank is hard and smooth. Yes. So the operation is so easy and convenient for customers to operate. LOPO is constantly developing the UV-DTF products like the glass, like the stainless steel bottles, and the vases, and more UV-DTF products are in developing. Okay, and the second is sublimation. As we all know, sublimation is a traditional technology, and LOPO is constantly developing the new products and optimizing the supply chain. We can optimize the cost while maintaining the same quality or the better quality. And now we release some new products like the LED based photo panel, and the photo panel with different designs. Yes, and many bottles here, and the stackable white mark. Okay, what I need to mention is this mark press. With this mark press, you can print all the bottles here with different shape and different sizes. And yes, this is how we updated this a pressure adjustment structure. It's new GS205 Pro.
Hi guys, this is Bella from LOPO. So let's see what we have here for the textile sublimation products on this booth. For customers from sublimation industry, they will notice that all the textile products on this industry must be polyester based. So we managed to produce different materials based on polyester. So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see what material we have here today. The first step I would like to introduce is those nylon material. All those nylon material have been made by our own sewing factory and with very strict QC checks before shipping out. All those nylon material have been updated to our new type, which is more anti-peony. And then the second part I would like to introduce is this burlap material. Compared with nylon material, burlap is more economy and it's more lighter. And the last part I would like to introduce is this fleece material, which is very soft and it's good for baby products. Okay, let's see what new product we have here today. So the first one I would like to introduce to you guys is those poly PU notebook, which is actually polyester based, but we made it feels like PU and it's waterproof. And then comes to these new released handbags, which is very elegant, and it have two colors, the black base and its burlap material. Then I would like to introduce this nylon tote bag with a black base, which is also great. I think that's all for today's video. I will see you next time. Bye.